Sunday Hoopers versus Yang Steven. CJ Alatica, Jamon Ludwig Bautista. First possession, napupunta sa Sunday Hoopers, Rodriguez. Pass to Tabi, Cyrus. Pass to Bagares sa tres. Togu, naribawin. Napakon. 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 Pass to Jesse, number 24. Pass to Napakon. Napakon. Pass to Rodriguez. Pass to Cyrus. Cyrus using the glass, using the point para kay Cyrus. Napakon. Bibig sa ball. Napakon. Pass to Jesse number 28 sa tres. Cyrus, 15 to shoot, pass to Bagares, 15.9, iskupos siya para kay Bagares. Rapakon, pass to Awini, pass to Rapakon, foul. Bagares, first personal foul, first team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Bautista, foul the ball, pass to Rapakon. Looking for his teammate, pass to Awini, pass to Bautista. Pass to Ligaria, back to shoot, pass to Bautista, no good. Pass to Rodriguez, pass to Tabi, pass to para kay Bagares, pass to Alatica. Use the glass, use the ball, para kay CJ. Bautista iba naman, pass to Ligaria. Pass to Rapakon po sa move, Rapakon. Pass to Bautista. Same ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Tingnan mo na tayo na yun. Tingnan mo na tayo na.
Pass to Rapakon sa tres. Airborne. Asad, wala lang sa Hoopers. Rodriguez yung ball, pass to Tabi, dribbling the ball, pass to Alatica, pass to Kapagan, no good, Daribani, Kapagan pa rin, nakuha niyo, Villarama. Villarama, pass to Bautista, pass to Ligaria sa stepping move, Bistugan, pass to Ligaria. Rodriguez, pass to Tabi, pass to Alatica, sa stepping move, Bistugan. Jersey number 24, Banderama, first personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots para kay CJ. First shot is not good. Second shot. Second shot para kay CJ. No good. Anybody? Possession para sa Yang Steven. Ligaria ball the ball, pass to Banderama, pinalik kay Ligaria. Pass to Mac, Rapakon. Double, kanya pa rin, tumukan na natin, double, naribon yung Kapagan. Pass to Tabi, Cyrus. Pass to Kapagan, Kapagan, sa step move, pagbabangka, para double, naribon yung Bautista, pass to para kay Mac. Tukot concentration. Rapakon. Gusto ko siya para kay Mac, Rapakon. Cyrus. Pass to Bagares. Binalik kay Cyrus. Cyrus. Cyrus, sa sabi mo, pass to Macapagal, use the glass, use 2 points yan. Regalia susuk sa 3. Now we can Macapagal. Pass break para kay Magares. 1-2 situation, Magares, use the glass. Use 2 points yan para kay Magares. Remain time, 5 minutes and 48 seconds. Score natin, 10-7. 3.3 kasi sa ating Hoopers. Awili. Nagbitawan ng bola. Awili pa rin. Awili. Pasto, Rapakon, 50 puntay. Nagul, naliwan ni Alatica. Pasto, Tabi. Naliwan ni Alatica. Pasto para kay Bagares. Tabi pa po 3. Nagul, naliwan ni CJ. Nakuha ni Tabi. Isip ko siya para kay Cyrus Tabi. Time out! Yes, Kibel. Remain at 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Score natin, 11-7. Score natin, 12-7. 5.3 para sa Sunday Hoopers. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Regalia, 1-1 pass to Rapakon, pass to Awili, pass to Rapakon, pass to Regalia. Looking for his teammate, pass to Bautista. It's to shoot, pass to Regalia, pass to Rapakon. Kasi, pass to Regalia. Open pass to 3. Cyrus, first personal foul, second team foul. First shot para kay Regalia. Not good. Second shot. Pasok na yan. Wala siya para kay Regalia. Pasok yan. 2 out of 3. Para kay Regalia. Sabi. CJ manual pass to Cyrus. Pass to Rodriguez. Rodriguez! 3 at sa inyo ng Blue Entertainment. Rapakon, pass to Bintarama. Pass to Awili sa 3. No good, nalagyan ni Michelle. Pass to Cyrus, nakakalain pass to Rodriguez. Use the glass, use 2 points para kay Rodriguez. Back, dribbling the ball. Looking for his teammate. Rapakon. Pass to Bautista. Pass to Regalia. Pass to shoot, pass to Valderrama, no good. Naliman Cyrus, dribbling the ball. Pass to Bagares sa 3. Bagares! 3 at insenyo yan ng Uni Vanguard. Valderrama. Looking for his teammate Valderrama. Pass to Regalia, pass to Bautista, bounce pass. Pass to Valderrama, pass to Rapakon sa side, no good. Nariboni. Valderrama, pass to Regalia sinasang bulak jumper. No good. Nariboni, Alatica, 3-on-2 situation. Alatica, pass to Cyrus, pump, Mr. Glass, no good. Nariboni, CJ. Awili first personal foul, second team foul. Yung motor daw po na 7, 8, 9, UYU. Pakikuha po daw muna. Pasuyo daw po. Maraming salamat. Pasok ka muna tira. Pangalawang tira. Pasok pa rin para kay CJ. Bautista and Roundabout pass to Valderrama. Valderrama. Attempt to shoot pass to Bautista. Bautista drive. Pass to Ramon. Pass to Awili. Sa tres. Nobu. Defense pa lang para kay Awili. Cyrus. Pass to Bautista. Bautista. Cyrus, pass to. Siyempre malakas. Narimoni. Awili. Pass to. Bulgaria. Pass to Bulgaria. Napakon. Istukos siya para kay Pagpapakon. Bautista yung mga pass to. Kanyete. Pinaligay. Cyrus. Cyrus dito po pass to Kanyete. Pass to Alatia. Pass to Kanyete. Pulang jumper. Istukos para kay Kanyete. Valderrama. Valderrama. Dribbling the ball. Valderrama. Pass to Awili. Head to shoot. Pass to Vigaria. Vigaria pass to Awili. Back to shoot Awili. Fake pass to Vigaria. Sa tres. Nobu. Narimoni siyempre. Pass to Kanyete. Kanyete. Get to station. Kanyete walang bola naman ni Vigaria. Vigaria. Vigaria naman. Vigaria. Pass to Napakon. Pass to Bautista. Nice team ni Alatiga. Alatiga pass to Cyrus. Pass to Alatiga. Alatiga sa step move. Bisito ko siya para kay Alatiga. Awil Valderrama pass to Valderrama. 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 Still shoot. Cyrus. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Awili Valderrama pass to Valderrama. Valderrama. Pass to Bautista. Bautista. Bautista Nobu. Narimoni. Siyempre. Pass to Cyrus. Cyrus. Pass to Bautista. Pass to Bananag. Pass to Bautista. Pass to Kanyete. Kanyete. Situko siya para Kanyete. Bautista Bananag. Pass to Vigaria. Pass to Valderrama. Valderrama. Pass to Rapakon. 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 Goes on the move. Pass to Valderrama. Pass to Bautista. And to shoot. Nice team ni Kanyete. Jersey number 30. Bautista. Unsportsman. Like foul. 2 shots. Last ball possession. First shot is good para Kanyete. Second shot. Pasok pa rin. Tuwarap to para Kanyete. Second. Remain time para sa ating first quarter. Last 41 seconds na lang. Kanyete. Ball the ball, pass to Yubal. Vincent, pass to Bautista. Pass to Manal. 10 to shoot pass. Bautista. Ang ganda na pass na gudang para kay siyempre. Is 2 points yan. Bautista yung ball the ball, pass to Rapakon. 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 Pass to Vigaria. Nice kill. Yubal. Yubal. Walang concentration. Pass to Kanyete. Kanyete pa. Ang push na glass. Rapakon. 40 seconds. Rapakon, Rapakon. 10 seconds. Siyempre, first personal foul, warning for penalty. Last 9 seconds na lang para sa ating first quarter. Rapaconin pa the ball, pass to Banderama. 5 seconds, pass na lang na-remake. Banderama, pass to Rapacon. Open 5 for 3. No good. End of the first quarter, score natin, 32-14. Back to the ball game para sa ating second quarter. Possession para sa Yanks Kibel. Pagiging ball to ball. Pass to Rapacon. 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 Pass to Valderrama. 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 Stick to shoot pass to Will sa 3. Logo, Mariboli, Bautista. Dibukol, Logo, Dibukol, center. Pass to para kay Lubal. Lubal. Pass to Bautista. Bautista. Isi 2 points para kay Bautista. Valderrama and Bandapon, pass to Rapacon. 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 15 to shoot, Rapacon. Di makawala ka sa kanya. Kanya, first personal foul, first team foul. Bautista. Bautista. Pass to Vigaria. Sa 3. Valderrama, first personal foul, first team foul. Lubal, pass to Cañete. Pass to Diciembre. Pass to Cañete. Open pass for 3. Cañete! 3! At insenyo yan ang Pops Barbershop. Valderrama. 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 Pass to Natacon. Pass to Omili. Omili, pulang jumper. No good. Valderrama, Islandas, no good pa rin, Mariboli Bautista, pass to Ligalia, Ligalia, no good, Mariboli Bautista. Pass to Bautista, pass to Cañete, Cañete, bulak, is 2 points para Cañete. Valderrama, Valderrama, usap, Valderrama, 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 bulak jumper, no good, Mariboli, Ligalia. Pass to Valderrama, pass to Ligalia. 10 to shoot, pass to Rapacon. Rapacon, bulag jumper. No good, Mariboli. Valderrama, Valderrama. Yes, the basket, may kasama pang foul. Banaan, first personal foul, second team foul. Ball shot para kay Valderrama. Pasok yan para kay Valderrama. Bautista, ball pass to Yubal. Yubal. Pass to Cañete. Pass to Manal. Pass to Paulo. Pass to Brent. Brent, susubok sa 3. No good. Naribon ni Paulo. Block. Save ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Paulo, on the ball. Pass to Brent. Pass to Vincent. Pass to Brent. Brent take. Brent drive. Pull up jumper. No good. Naribon. Cañete. Cañete. These 2 balls para Cañete. Legaria. Pass to Bautista. Pass to Ovili. Open 5 for 3. No good. Naribon Manaan. Pass to Yubal, 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 pull-up jumper. Double pa rin, Naribon Bautista. Pass to Rapacon. One of the situation, no good lang, Naribon Banaan. Pass to Vincent, Yubal, Yubal. Pass to Paulo. 15 to shoot, Paulo. Fake pass to Banaan. Banaan, play down shot. No good pa rin, Naribon. Awili, pass to Valderrama, nice to Cañete. Cañete, pump, Cañete. Cañete, fadeaway shot. Awili, second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots para kay Cañete. Pasok yan, para Cañete. Second shot para Cañete. Pasok pa din. 2 out of 2 para Cañete. Bigay po ang pass yung Valderrama. Pass to Ratakon. Pass to Awili sa 3. Awili! Insenyo yan, ang pandayong coffee. Time out! Sunday Hoopers, remaining time, 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Score natin, 43-20.
Pumapayat tayo ah.
Okay, back-to ball game tayo.
Kuya, umuwi na si RJ. Kuya, umuwi na.
Possession para sa Sunday Hoopers. Yuba, inbound ball, pass to Glenn. Cañete. Pass to Banab. Pass to Glenn. Glenn, with the good line. Airball, naribon ni Cañete. Pass to Paulo. Glenn to shoot. Pass to Cañete. Fire to shoot. Pass to Glenn. Glenn sa 3. No good. Naribon ni Cañete. Cañete sa 3. No good pa rin. Sabi. Labas, pasok, labas. Valderrama, pass to Ratakon, pass to Igania, pass to Awili sa 3. Awili, atin sa inyo yan, ang King Hoops Academy. Panalo pa na ball, pass to Santos, pass to Yuban. Pass to Brent. Pass to Banam, Black. Nakuha ni Awili. Stop pa for 3. No good, then go to Brent. Yuban. Pick. Grabe yung violation. Awili volleyball pass to Ratakon. Pass to Bautista. Pass to Igania. Ayos na. Risiko post para kay Igania. Pass to shoot para kay Igania. Vincent. Yuban pa rin. Pass to Brent. Pass to Mayo. Pass to Ganag. Pass to Santos. Pick. Santos. Five to shoot. Pass to Yuban. Risiko post para kay Yuban. Bautista ball, pass to Valderrama. Pass to Awili. Pass to Igania, pass to shoot. Pass to Bautista, ball para Bautista. Pass to Yuban. Pass to Santos. Open up for 3. Napalakas ang tira. Awili sa 3. Double. Awili. Atin sa inyo ng legs ng last time. Yuban, pass to Pax. Then, nice to be Valderrama. Pass to para kay Igania. Isip mo sa para kay Igania. Santos. Pass to Brent. Pass to Yuban. 15 to shoot. Pass to Mayo. Mayo, 15-foot jumper. So, muna na yung Bautista. Pass to Ligaria. Beyond to situation, Ligaria. Yuban, first personal foul, third team foul. Awili sa tres. Gawin na rin yung isa. Up. Gawin na naman Mayo. Mayo nagkakadali. 21. Pass to Brent. Brent. Isa lang. 2 points para kay Brent. Awili pa naman. Pass to Banderama. 15 to shoot. Pass to Ligaria. Pass to Napakon. Gawin na naman Mayo. Pass to para kay Yuba. Pass to Brent. 2 points para kay Brent. Timeout! Yes, Sibel. Remaining time. 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Score natin. 49-32. 17-point lead para sa Sunday Hoopers. Back to the ball game. Awili pa the ball, pass to Rapakon. Pass to Ligaria. And to shoot. And to Santos. Awili Manuel, pass to Banderama. And to shoot. Pass to Ligaria. 50-foot jumper. No good. Anybody? Single. Ligaria. Pass to Awili. Awili fake. Awili. Kulang jumper. No good. Anybody? Possession para sa Sunday Hoopers. Santos Emmanuel, pass to Tabi. Pass to Brent. Binalik kay Tabi. Pass to Santos. Pass to Brent. Susubok sa long 2. Long with the Mayo. Pass to Santos. Brent. Yung ilaw po ng motor, pasuyo. Yung ilaw ng motor. Salamat. 2 shots para kay Santos. Same shot para kay Santos. Kaliwanan. Good pa rin para kay Santos. Sabi na kaliwanan niya. Rapakon. 15 to shoot. Pass to Banderama. Ayun na kay Bautista. Naka-play na yun. Play ng Santa Lucia. Mayo. Easy 2 points para kay Mayo. Rapakon. Pass to Awili. Pass to Banderama. 15 to shoot. Pass to Awili. Open 5 for 3. Awili. 3. At isend lang ng Labinya. North Caloocan. Mayo. Possession para sa Exibel. Out of bounds. Last 38 seconds para sa first half. Banderama. 15 to shoot. Awini. Airball, Juan Santos. Pass to Cyrus. Cyrus. 15 to shoot, 20 seconds. Santos, pass to Mayo. Pass to Santos. 5 to shoot. Ren, no good. Nalagoni, Santos. Pass to Ren. Discovers para kay Ren. Awini. End of the first half. Score natin, 53-37. 16-point lead para sa Sunday Hoopers. Okay, back to board game tayo para sa ating third quarter. Okay, possession para sa Sunday Hoopers. Cyrus Manuel, pass to Santos, Cyrus, pass to CJ, kulang jumper, easy 2 points para kay Alatica. Juarez, pass to Rapakon, hesitate, Rapakon, kulang. Togo, nalagon CJ. Pass to Cyrus. Pass to Mayo. 1-2. Situation. Mayo. Togo, nalagon Rapakon. Warin pala. Pass to Orin. Step back for 3. Togo, nalagon Cyrus. Pass back para kay Santos. These 2 points para kay Santos. Warin. Pass to Rapakon. Pass to Warin. Ilan kay Rapakon. Pass to Katakutan sa 3. Katakutan! 3. At sa inyo yan ng Otto-Quick North Caloocan. Cyrus. Pass to Mayo. 15 to shoot. Pass to Cyrus. Cyrus, sa steady move. This na glass. 2 points para kay Cyrus Tavi. On this time, on pass to Warin. Right back. Pass to Rapakon. 15 to shoot. Rapakon. 2 points para kay Rapakon. Cyrus. Pass to Alatica. 15 to shoot. Pass to Mayo. This na glass to Banderama, pass to Warin. Pass to Rapakon. Mayo. First personal foul, first rebound. Banderama, pass to Warin. Pass to Banderama. Hey, to shoot, pass to Katakutan, long 3. Katakutan! 3, at sa India, nakikit. Cyrus, moving the ball. 15 to shoot, pass to Mayo. Pass to CJ, CJ, nakuha ni Makapagal. Foul. Katakutan, first personal foul, first team foul. Two shots para kay Makapagal. First shot. First shot, it's not good. Second shot para kay Makapagal. No good. Nalibali Bautista. Bautista. Pass to Suarez. 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 No good. Nalibali. Makapagal. Pass to Tarakay. Tarakay. Mayo. Maraming Jose. Alat bola. Kawan CJ. CJ back. CJ. Pass to Cyrus. Cyrus. 22 points para kay Cyrus. Katakutan ko ang dalawang pass to Suarez. 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 Pass to katakutan. Fake. Katakutan. Katakutan. Pulang jumper. 22 points para kay katakutan. Pass break para kay Suarez. 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 Fade away. Dito 62 points para kay Suarez. Santos, pass to Tabi, pass to Mayo. Mayo, 18 points ang jumper. 22 points para kay Mayo. Contest time on road, pass to Suarez. Pass to Katakutan. 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 Using the glass. No good. Everybody, Cyrus. Pass to para kay Santos. 1-2 situation. Santos, pass to Makapagal. Makapagal. No good. Everybody, Santos. Santos. Everybody, Makapagal. No good. Everybody, Santos. Santos. 22 points para kay Santos. Suarez. Suarez. Patres. Airball. Sabret. Santos ball pass to Cyrus. Cyrus. Pass to Alantiga. Alantiga. Hali para kay Mayo. Wala. Bola ng King Sibel. Katakutan pa doon. Pass to Suarez. Suarez. Pass to Katakutan. Stop at Kapoti. Katakutan! Win! Time out! Sunday Hoopers. Remain time 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Score natin 65-52, 13.8 para sa Sunday Hoopers. Sunday Hoopers, dalawa na ang time out nyo hanggang 4th quarter. James Gibel, tatlo pa. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Mayo in the ball. Pass to Cyrus. Cyrus. Pass to Santos. Pass to Mayo, okay? Mayo. Grabe yung violation. Grabe. Awili pa naman, pass to Suarez. Pass to Awili. Pass to Katakutan. 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 No, nalibad Katakutan ka rin. Katakutan. Siyempre, second personal foul, second team foul. 40 seconds to shoot. Banderaman on the ball. Nice to Ria Latiga. Pass play para kay Mayo. 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 22 points para kay Mayo. Suarez on the ball. Pass to Awili. Binalik kay Suarez. 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 Pass to Katakutan. Sa 3. Double. Nalibali. Nalibali. Cyrus. Right back. Running violation. Possession para sa James Gibel. Awili pa ang pass to Suarez. Pass to Bautista. Bautista. Nice steal. Hindi siyempre pass to Cyrus. Dito to special. Pass to Simple. Sabret, sabret. Cyrus out, Gibel. Santos on the ball. Pass to Latiga. Gets the basket, may kasama pang foul. Duwari, first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot para kay CJ. Pasok yan para kay CJ. Duwari, Nelson, Togo, Nerfoni. Siyempre, pasok para kay Vincent. Vincent, iskubos na para kay Yuban. At ang muna yung mga nabog, pass to Omili. Pass sa katakutan. Pass to Omili. Pass to Duwari. Pass to Bandrama, pass to Duwari, pass to Omili. 10 to shoot sa 3. Togo, dari Bani Bautista. Iskubos para kay Bautista.
Bang, bang!
Yuban, pass to Santos. Santos. Yun po yung Steven. Pass to CJ. Then to shoot CJ. Nakawala. Alis na gas. 2 points. Para kay CJ. Bautista yung kanabang pass to Atakutan. Atakutan drive. Pass to Duwari. Duwari sa 3. Togo. Saliboni. Santos. Pass to Mayo. Binay kay Santos. Pass to Mayo. Pass to December. 2 points. Ang gandang goal. Duwari. Pass to Atakutan. Tipo. CJ, first personal foul, 13 foul. Atakutan, ball, pass to Duwari. 15 to shoot, pass to Willie sa 3. Togo, deliver to Santos. Pass to Alatina, Alatina. Sabit. Bautista. Third personal foul, 13 foul. 2 shots para kay CJ. Pasok diyan para kay CJ. Second shot. Pasok pa din para kay CJ. Atakutan yung pantalon, pass to Duwari. 2 minutes and 31 seconds, pass to Atakutan. Use the glass, Togo, Nerfoni, CJ. Pass to Yuban, concentration, slapping back. These 2 points para kay Yuban. Pagkaraman pantalon, pass to Duwari. Crossover, shoot. Duwari, pass to Atakutan. Use the glass, Togo, deliver to siyempre. Pass to Yuban, good concentration, pass to Alatina. Let's get a move. Duwari, second personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots para kay CJ. First shot is good para kay CJ. Second shot. Good, everybody. Sabit. Labas. Duwari, giving the ball, pass to Awili. Binay kay Duwari, pass to Awili. Awili sa 3. Togo, Nerfoni, Awili pa rin. Awili, pass to Sigara, pass to Katakutan sa 3. Togo, Nerfoni Bautista, pass to Duwari, second move, Duwari, isi mo para kay Duwari. Rodriguez, pass to Yuban, pass to Bautista, Paulo. Nice speed, nakuha ni Diciembre. Duwari. Pass to Bautista. Take the shoot pass to Omili sa 3. Air ball. Nakuha ni Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Pass to Yuban. What is it, Sandy? Pass to Diciembre. Easy 2 points para kay Diciembre. What is it, Manuel? Pass to Mari. Mari, nagmamadali. Mari. Lock. Symbol. Ligaya, Manuel. Pass to Bautista. Douglas. Pass to Juarez. Okay to shoot. Juarez. Bali. Easy 2 points para kay Juarez. Rodriguez, Manuel. Pass to Paolo. Pass to Vincent. 35 seconds. Pass to Magares at Perez. Magares! 3! At Isenia ng Blue Entertainment. Katakutan. Gap! Nakuha niya ni Daria. Pass team. Nakuha ni Bautista. Pass to. Kaya to shoot. Awili sa 3. Awili! 3! At Isenia ng Unibangan. Steve. Awili. Pass to Ligaria. Isi 2 points para kay Ligaria. Wala nang oras. End of the third quarter. Score natin. 86-63. Okay, tutuko tayo sa ating last and fourth quarter. Possession para sa Yanksville. Luwari yung matubal pass to Willie. Paso katakutan. Pass. Rodriguez, first personal foul. First team foul. Ligaya yung matubal pass to katakutan. Ipit shoot, katakutan. Bali. No good. Naribani Rodriguez. Pass to Yuman. Pass to Magares. Step back for 3. No good. Naribani. Ligaria. Pass to Awili. Step back for 3. No good. Naribani Duari. Put back. Naribani Paulo. Pass to Yuman. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Magares. Open 5 for 3. No good. Ligaria. Pass to Katakutan. Pass to Wari. Easy 2 points. Yuman. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Rodriguez. Pass to Diciembre. Loose ball. Possession pass to Yanksville. Savage. Ball this time by the ball pass to Duari. Pass to Awili. Pass to katakutan. Sa 3. No good. Naribani. Ligaria. Pass to Duari. Sa 3. No good. Naribani. Sabret. Possession para sa Sunday Hoopers. Foul yung volleyball pass to Magares. Pass to Cañete. Pass to Paulo. Gusto ka glass. No good. Naribani. Awili pass to katakutan. Wala. Bola. Possession para sa Sunday Hoopers. Break. Pass to Magares. Pass to Manila. Pass to Diciembre. Ang gandang pasa nun. Bautista volleyball pass to Duari. Easy 2 points para kay Duari. Followed volleyball pass to Cañete. 7 minutes and 35 seconds para sa ating last and fourth quarter. Magares. Sa 3. No good. Naribani. Katakutan. Sa 3. Bagares, second personal foul, second team foul. 3 shots para kay Katakutan. First shot is good. Second shot, pasok pa rin. Last shot para kay Katakutan. Pasok pa rin. 3 out of 3 para kay Katakutan. Brent. Nice kill ni Ligaria. Ligaria. Bola. Ligaria pa rin. Pasok Katakutan. Katakutan. These 2 points para kay Katakutan. Brent, ibang pasok Paulo. Kanyete. Pass to Brent. Pass to Paulo. Paulo. Double. Dari Bautista. Pass to Nuari. These 2 points para kay Nuari. Brent, ibang pass to Kanyete. 6 minutes and 35 seconds para sa ating last of Paul Walter Bagares. Pass to Brent. Nice kill. Outside. 40 seconds to shoot. Sabit. Labas, pasok, labas. 40 seconds to shoot. Brent, ibang pasok Paulo. Ganyan kay Brent. 10 to shoot. Brent. Pass to Paulo. Pass to Kanyete. 5 to shoot. Pass to Paulo. Double. Awili. Pass to Katakutan. Kulap. Double. Dari Brent. Bukan na situation. Walang bola. Dari Kanyete. Ligaria, first personal foul, first team foul. Paulo inbound the ball. Pass to Brent. Pass to Paulo ulit. Pass to siyempre. No good. Naliban ni Awili. Pass to Katakutan. Stop pa for 3. No good. Naliban ni Kanyete. Brent. Instead to shoot. Brent. The second move. This is the points para kay Brent. Katakutan ball pass to Nuari. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Gets the basket. Get the second foul. He's fouled. Kanyete, second personal foul. Third team foul. Ball shot. Again, Nuari. Pasok niya para kay Nuari. Cyrus, pass to Santos, pass to Alatica. Pass to Mayo. You take the shot, Mayo, 50-foot line. No good, everybody. Nuari. Pass to Willie sa 3. No good. Naliban niya Ligaria. Pass to Bautista. Pass to Nuari sa 3. Malakas. No good. Naliban niya. Makapagal. Pass to Cyrus. Pass to Mayo. Nuari, second personal foul. Third personal foul, second team foul. Pasok Pasok ang unang tira. Second shot. Para kay Mayo. Logo, Lariboni, Igaria. Pass 2. Katakutan. 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 Pass 2. Igaria. Pass to Willie sa 3. Logo, Lariboni. Santos. Pass 2. Makapagal. Pass to Santos. 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 Pass to Makapagal. Pump. Makapagal. It's 2 points para kay Makapagal. Duwari. Duwari. Dito shoot. Pass to Willie. Pass to Duwari sa 3. Logo. Lariboni. Makapagal. Pass to Santos. Santos. Pass to Mayo. Mayo. Use na. Just 2 points para kay Mayo. Time out. Yexibel. Remaining time 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Score natin 95-77. Favor of Yexibel. Ay, Sunday Hoopers. All teams, tigalaw pa time out nyo. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Remaining time 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Duwari. 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 Pass to Willie. Pass to Duwari. The 3. Logo na riba ni Santos. 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 Willie, third personal foul, 13 foul. Sabret. Mayo pa the ball, pass to Santos. Take to shoot. Take to shoot. 5 to shoot. Marin 1-1, pass to Legaria, pass to Marin. Legaria. Pass to Katakutan. Katakutan. Santos. 15 to shoot. Naatak na daw kasi kayo eh. Set to shoot. 5 to shoot. Remaining time 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Ano, napasaya kayo no? Naatak na kasi kayo eh. Baranga sa 3, Logo na riba ni Baranga. Pastor para kay Alatica. Loose ball. Bola ng Yexibel. Last 2 minutes. Katakutan sa 3, Logo na riba ni Baranga. Pass to Duwari. Duwari sa 3. Logo pa rin. Lariboni. Banaan. Mayboy. Pass to Cyrus. Pass to Santos. Ang point guard ng Sunday Hoopers. Take the shoot. 24 seconds shot clock violation. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Warren. Sa 3. Warren Rhea. Isa yan ang Pops Bubble Shop North Caloocan. Cyrus. Pass to Mayo. Ready to shoot. Back to shoot.